Near Field Communication, NFC. The power of the tap. Defining the ultra-short-range protocol. Near Field Communication, NFC, is a set of short-range wireless technologies that enables two electronic devices to communicate when they are within very close proximity, typically 4 centimeters, 1.6 inches, or less. It is a subset of the broader WID, radio frequency identification, technology. The primary characteristic of NFC is its simplicity and speed. Unlike Bluetooth, which requires manual pairing, an NFC connection is established almost instantaneously, requiring only a simple tap or wave to initiate communication. How the contactless tap works. NFC operates on the principle of inductive coupling at a frequency of $13.56/text, MHz, $. When an active device, like your smartphone, is brought near a target, its antenna generates a tiny electromagnetic field. If the target is a passive device, like a payment terminal or an NFC tag, this electromagnetic field induces a current in the target's coil, effectively powering it up and enabling it to transmit or exchange small amounts of data without needing its own battery. The two key modes of operation. Smartphones use NFC in two primary ways, allowing them to participate in various interactions. First is reader-writer mode, where the smartphone acts as a scanner, reading information stored on a passive NFC tag. This is used when tapping your phone on a smart poster to instantly open a website or on a smart home tag to connect to Wi-Fi. Second is card emulation mode, which is the most common use. In this mode, the smartphone behaves exactly like a traditional contactless credit card. This allows mobile wallet applications like Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Samsung Pay to function at standard payment terminals. NFC and the mobile payment revolution. NFC is the core technology that enables the tap-to-pay revolution. When you initiate a payment, your phone switches to card emulation mode and transmits an encrypted signal to the point of sale (POS) terminal. This process is not only fast and convenient but also more secure than using a physical card. Because the range is so short, the risk of interception, eavesdropping, is greatly minimized, and transactions can only happen when the phone is deliberately placed close to the reader. Security, tokenization, and secure elements. Mobile payments are protected by multiple layers of security. The most important is tokenization. Instead of transmitting your actual 16-digit card number, the phone sends a unique, one-time use digital token. If this token is intercepted, it is useless for any subsequent fraudulent transaction. Furthermore, most smartphones use a secure element, say, a dedicated, tamper-resistant chip isolated from the main operating system, to securely store and manage these payment tokens and cryptographic keys, adding an essential hardware layer of protection. Beyond payments, simplified connectivity. While payments dominate its use, NFC is also highly effective at simplifying other digital interactions. It is frequently used for bootstrapping other connections, meaning you can tap your phone to a new Bluetooth speaker or Wi-Fi router, and the NFC chip instantly transmits the necessary complex pairing code or password, bypassing the manual setup process. NFC tags are also used for simple data exchange, such as sharing contact information or quickly transferring small files between compatible phones, though this is less common now with faster alternatives. It is the technology of instant, secure, and deliberate interaction.